Okay, so then we will go to the next point. Conversion from string to string buffer and string builder. So this material, this document I have written. So conversion from string to string buffer and string builder. That means one string value, Silan, I have taken, but using string class. String str equals to this. Str is a string type of variable. Internally memory will allocate the value Silan will assign into that memory. Point is, this string value we represented by string class. Now, this value I will assign into a string buffer object and into a string builder object. So that is called as what? Conversion of from string to string buffer and string builder. String type of value, it is possible. String type of value we assign into string buffer and string builder object. So that is what conversion of string to string buffer and string builder. Very simple. I took a string buffer object, but within bracket str I specified. What is str? Str is a string type of variable. The value is Silan. Simple. So now I took a string buffer object within bracket I specified str. The value of str. Str means the value of str. Now the value of str assigned into sp1. Then this system.out.println sp1. So Silan came. Now the value Silan came to sb1. SB1 is what? SB1 is string buffer type of object. So that's why string here we can say string type of value signed into string buffer type of object. Here I performed a reverse operation in string buffer and string builder. There is a built-in method reverse. So once reverse method we are invoking by here sp1 by string buffer object. So we will get the value of reverse value of Silan. Then after getting reverse, if I want to see if I want to see the value of SB1, so that reverse value I will get. Same way, I will take a string builder object. Just I passed str. Then sp2.append. Append means concatenating, appending. Then after appending, so I displayed the value of sp2. So this is one output statement Silan. After reverse, output will be NALIS. So this is append method I have called. That means what Silan software to string value appending Silan software. This output statement is representing Silan software. If I will copy, I will paste here. Okay, so first is Silan, then reverse of Silan, then Silan software. This is one part, and this is another part. String buffer to string and string builder to string. Very simple. So one string buffer object is given, Silan. One string builder object is given technology. The value Ceylon is a string value assigned in SP1. Technology is a string value assigned in SB2. Now, SB1 value I will assign into a string type of a variable. SB2 is a string builder type of object. This SB2 value I will assign into string type of variable. So for this, there is a method toString method. It is a method when it is invoking by SB1. Now, the SB1 value will assign into S1. SB2 value will assign in S2. This is output statement. Ceylon technology. If I will copy the code, this is my documentation I have written. So if I will write this, so I will get a Ceylon. There is a space technology. Based on this output statement, we will get the output. Okay, so this is all about conversion from string to string buffer and string builder, and the conversion of string buffer and string builder to